harmonic. Nothing strange about that. Just going in a different direction. A lot of people are concerned with the company first, Forever Blue, which is a company I have been associated with in my harmonic journey. But anyway, now I am referred to as First Lady Harmonic. And I wanted to go over something real fast with you, the difference and what happens when you're able to see movement in the market very precisely and quickly, to be able to identify where price is most likely heading. So what I did see was I was on a 4-hour chart, but I wanted to come into the 1 hour just to give you an idea, not the 1 hour, I'm sorry, but the daily, just to give you an idea as to where we are. We see that price has already broken again a level of support. It has broken previous highs, so therefore we are showing that we are in an uptrend. We are making higher lows, again confirming that we are in an uptrend. If I was to go down to a lower time frame, like the 4 hours, because a lot of people are more concerned with trading abilities of wanting to be in the market and to trade, and of course the higher the time frame, the more patience you need in executing your trades and waiting for the setups to actually happen. So when I just took a look at this real quick, it's GBP AUD 240. What I saw was a possible crab in the making, which would look something particularly like this. Looking to reverse right around this area. Again, recommending that learning the harmonics will help you significantly in getting a directional bias, helping you to see maybe you're not in the trade at the moment, but where price would most likely reverse, and you can probably get in the trade to at least catch some pips on that level. We're at 1618 for a crab. Does the 618 line up with a zone, which is always another level of confluence? And it does. It lines up with the zone that we can see right here. Let me just draw it all the way out. Right here. So that would be an ideal reversal pattern for price action. So we're looking at price to probably come up into this zone, which is a supply zone, and come down some. This area here is a strong level of support. We know that because it has reacted here to support. It has also reacted as resistance. We're always looking for zones that has always acted as both resistance and support, helping giving us a confirmation that this level is indeed something that price respects. Once we see that, we can be confident that once price comes back into this area, which is, since it's above the area, we would know, we would at that point be looking for buys. I don't know what I just did there. Let me just get rid of that. So we're looking for buys once price comes back down into this area. What's going on with this thing here? And most likely that is what is going to happen. Once price reverses, probably going to come back down into this area of support, and then maybe a possible trend continuation, or maybe not, depending on what price action does. But for now, we're looking for price to continue in its uptrend. Again, we see that price has broken this level of support. It has closed above it. Right now, we're going to wait to see how this candle closes. Sometimes it will show that this candle right now, since it has reacted as resistance, it may still respond as resistance depending on how this candle closes at 5 p.m. Which means we may probably be coming back down to this level in here before we make another rise. But as long as we are staying above this here, let me just do this down here, we are still in buys. Okay, and that's a quick recap of what I just saw. Pick a particular pair, understanding harmonics, understanding basic price structure and trend lines. This is what I'm able to see. So if you want to, you can wait around this area here. Let me just see what price it would be at. So right around the 176,550 area, I will be looking to take a short. So that is not a signal, but it is definitely something to alert you to watch for, or you can wait for a retest of this area right here and take it up to the D point and then ride it back down, or wait till the D point hits and then take it down. Again, take profit levels are from A to D. So from A to D of Fibonacci, from A to D of 38.2, 61.8 is the take profit levels for harmonics. So that's all she wrote. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. First Lady Harmonic. Talk to you later.